Okay. And just basically two more questions for
Yeah.
you. What do you wish, knowing what you know now, what do you wish you had known from the get-go?
I wish I'd studied for this.
Study for this interview? For Airbnb?
Good questions. What do I wish I know? I wish I'd started earlier.
Mhm.
I wish I trusted the Airbnb app and started, earlier than 2015. With anything you want to do that's different, I think your partner, your family members, your friends, they all mean well. And I think it's a human condition in that we try to avoid risk. And if you're going to do something like this, it's a risk.
Mhm.
But I think you need people around you who are going to support you and help you to format the idea of how you're going to do this. So don't let them criticize. Don't let them turn you off. Have them help you with the idea.